I just want everything to be charged like right now. I just want to like fly the drone up and like film. Oh, I'm probably gonna be the first one to die from cold after trying to put up a time lapse. So I'm listening to like Calvin Harris music because it's been a couple of months since the last time and they're awesome. How can you ever get sick of this beat? I've been rolling on the freeway, thinking way too much. It's a super nice day today. The weather outside is just like perfect, and that is great timing because like right now in 2 minutes I'll go to a friend of mine who has a drone, and he's in like Switzerland and in Germany for 1 week, and he did not bring his drone. So he let me borrow it for 1 week, so it's not my proper drone, unfortunately, but I'm gonna have it for 1 week and I'm gonna use it a lot. I think this little guy wants to join. Wanna go for a walk? Yay! Let's run around in circles because we're so happy. The typical vloggers that you watch, like Casey Neistat, Peter McKinnon, and Jesse and all these people, they got boosted boards to get like from A to B. But me, I got a penny board and a dog. It's still effective. I mean, like now I'm going uphill, just have to like kick a little bit, and he does the rest of the work. And the best thing is that he loves to run. So we're both having a great time. Oh shit! Come here. So at first I went to like my friend, like not the one with the drone, but my friend was actually at home. And then the two of us went down to this friend of ours, like the one who has the drone and the one who's in Switzerland. We knocked the door, but it was like nobody home, so we're like, okay, what do we do? We called him, texted him, didn't answer because he was probably like on the plane or something. So we just like went back to my other friend's house, chilled out there, and waited for like a couple of hours, and we went back, and then his brother was home, and we just like found the drone and called him, and eventually he picked up his phone. In the end, of course, we got the drone, and then we took it out of the box. Wait. We spent like maybe 10-15 minutes setting it up. You have to like download an app to like control it. So after like setting up the drone and actually getting it in the air, it had like almost no charge left in the battery. As soon as we got it in the air, it was like 20%. And if you have ever flown a drone before, you know that as soon as it hits like 20%, it's like, it's done. So we got to fly like for exactly 1 minute, maybe a couple of meters up, and then like, okay, we have to go down. So the drone comes in this like huge drone backpack, and inside you get like, of course, the drone and controller and the propellers, the charger, everything. And everything was just like so much bigger than what I thought. Like this is the drone itself, it's huge, and the controller is also pretty big, so you need a separate backpack just to like carry this thing around. And as soon as you turn it on, it comes like all these like disco light things. But I found out that it's really nice to have like these lights to see like what is forward and backward on the drone. So I have to charge the drone, and it's got like two chargers. I guess I think this one's for the remote and this one is like for the drone, but I got like no idea where this is supposed to go. And this probably fits in here. Yes. You got it. So I don't really know like how long the charging time for this is, but I'm guessing it's like right around like 1 hour. And it's just getting dark right now. I cannot possibly describe how good it feels just like to have every single thing charged up like at one time. I mean, like this is just like perfection for me. Like every single thing is charging up at the same time. That's like, I mean, like there's nothing that can make my OCD feel better than like seeing this. It's so beautiful. Okay, anyways, and I also got the GoPro outside here doing a time lapse of like the beautiful sunset. Oh, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be perfect. The entire like overhead shot thing, like where I like use my hands and stuff like that, it probably looks like I'm filming that on the floor, but actually I'm using this table right here. So yeah, that's where I film my like overhead shots. I just want everything to be charged like right now. It's just like so annoying to have it right there, but I can't fly it because like the battery's not charged. Oh, it's like so frustrating. I mean, it's right there, but I cannot use it, and it's getting dark like right now as we speak. Oh, that's so frustrating, but I just have to be patient, I guess. Okay, I just got an idea. What if I do a time lapse of the time lapse outside? Like if I do a time lapse of the camera standing right there. Like, I don't know why, but maybe it's cool, maybe not. Let's give it a shot. Oh, now it's like super dark outside, but I am still flying the drone. That was super fun, super cold. My fingers are like freezing to ice. I just have to pack everything together and go home and not freeze to death. So let's go home. And we are home. And that is about it for today. That was a very fun video to make. There's only one thing left, and that is to see how that time lapse of the time lapse thing went. So yeah, we'll go and have a look.